Mobility matters. Unlock your potential with these top flexibility hacks. Hey there, fitness enthusiasts. Are you ready to take your workout game to the next level? Well, get ready to unlock your full potential with the power of flexibility. In this video, we'll dive into the top hacks for mastering flexibility, so you can enhance your functional fitness movement and achieve peak performance. Flexibility is not just about being able to touch your toes or do the splits. It's about improving your range of motion, preventing injuries, and optimizing your overall physical performance. Whether you're an athlete, a gym goer, or simply someone who wants to stay fit and healthy, these tips will help you reach new heights. First up, let's talk about dynamic stretching. Unlike traditional static stretching, dynamic stretching involves moving your muscles and joints through a full range of motion. This helps to warm up your body, increase blood flow, and improve flexibility. Incorporate dynamic stretches like leg swings, arm circles, and walking lunges into your warm-up routine to prepare your body for the workout ahead. Next, it's time to introduce some targeted stretches into your routine. These stretches focus on specific muscle groups and help to lengthen and release any tightness or tension. Whether it's your hamstrings, hip flexors, or shoulders, take the time to stretch each muscle group thoroughly. Hold each stretch for 2030 seconds. And remember to breathe deeply throughout. Now, let's talk about the power of foam rolling. This self-myofascial release technique involves using a foam roller to apply pressure to certain areas of your body. By doing so, you can release muscle knots, improve circulation, and enhance flexibility. Incorporate foam rolling into your post-workout routine for maximum benefits. In addition to stretching and foam rolling, it's important to incorporate strength training exercises that promote flexibility. Moves like squats, lunges, and yoga poses not only build strength but also improve your range of motion. By integrating these exercises into your routine, you'll be able to develop stability, mobility, and flexibility all at once. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to mastering flexibility. Make it a habit to stretch and mobilize your body regularly, both before and after your workouts. This will not only help you maintain your current level of flexibility but also improve it over time. So, be patient and stay committed to your flexibility journey. Before we wrap up, here's a quick recap of our top flexibility hacks. Incorporate dynamic stretching. Target specific muscle groups with static stretches. Use foam rolling for self-myofascial release. And integrate strength training exercises. By following these tips, you'll be well on your way to unlocking your full potential in functional fitness movement. So, what are you waiting for? Start implementing these flexibility hacks into your routine today, and experience the incredible benefits they bring. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fitness tips and tricks. Together, let's take our fitness journey to new heights. Keep pushing, keep stretching, and keep moving towards a healthier, More flexible you.